In my research, I've come across 5 oil companies to invest in for an upside profit and a good dividend on the way. These 5 companies are Exxon, Chevron, BP, Total and Royal Dutch Shell. All of these companies may be familiar to you. I've used several factors to confirm that these are a good potential investment. I have looked at the target upside price as predicted by analysts for all of these 5 companies, and we have the highest is 37.4%, that's for Royal Dutch Shell, and the lowest is 12.4% for Exxon, but all the others are in the sort of 20% range. So we've got a potential increase in value of the shares of over 20%. The other factor is dividend payout. This is where you get a payment on a regular basis from a company as a percentage of the share value you've held, and the dividend payout yield for these companies, the lowest is 3.8%, which is for Royal Dutch Shell, and the highest is 6.43% for ExxonMobil, and all the rest are in the 5%. So we're looking at a minimum of 5% dividend yield for all 5 companies. And another factor I use when I'm trying to sort of see if a company is worth investing in is the book value, the price to book value ratio. Anything under 1 indicates that the company is good value in relation to its assets and liabilities. But having said that, anything under 3, the company is still potentially a good value company. And we have 2 of the companies, the 5 oil companies that have a book value under 1, and they are Royal Dutch Shell and BP. But all the rest are all under 1.5, so I think they are still classed as good value stocks to invest in. So my plan is to buy shares in all of these 5 stocks: Exxon, Chevron, BP, Total and Royal Dutch Shell. From what I understand, Exxon and Chevron are USA owned companies, BP is a UK owned company, Total is a French owned company, and Royal Dutch Shell is a collaboration between the UK and the Netherlands in Europe. So we are investing in these 5 oil companies with a view to having a nice dividend on the way of a minimum of 3%, and when the stocks reach the predicted upside or just under the predicted upside, they're going to be sold for a nice profit. So this is my plan for the up and coming few days to invest in these 5 oil stocks, and I will give you regular updates on how we are performing. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.